Hey everyone, today we will explore a new way to create AI-generated images for free. Let's dive in. Open your preferred web browser and type beta.dreamstudio.ai, then press enter. After making your account in Dream Studio, an interface like this will appear. There are two options at the top, one for generating desired images and the other for editing your selected images. Then, there's a style option where numerous styles are presented, like enhance, anime, photographic, digital art, and much more, as you can see here. Next, there's an option for the prompt where you have to write your imagination. For example, as I imagine the Great Wall of China prompt. Then, there's an option for a negative prompt where you write those things which you want to avoid. The next option is to upload an image. It's your choice whether you like to upload or not. This is a sample image you give to Dream Studio, indicating the type of image you want. Next, there are settings where you can customize your image size by sliding, like this. There's an image count option, whether you want 2, 3, 4 images, or more. Advanced options include width, height, prompt strength, and generation steps options, which you can customize according to your need. Lastly, just click on the Dream button. These are amazing results, and you can preview them by clicking on each image. The right side displays properties of your image. You can also download your images with just one click and rename them, for example, as China Wall-Eye. You can also reuse your prompt and set your selected image as a sample image. Then, we have edit options and generate variation options. All the selected settings while generating images are present on the right side, and you can customize each and everything, even after creating images from this panel. Here's a tutorial on Dream Studio for more details. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing content. Thanks for watching.